for a long time as you were demanding that we make a video on math topic. Keeping this point in our mind, we are present with another new video. In this video, we will share some magical math trick with you. So student, let us start. See, for this magical trick, first of all, you have to follow this pattern. This pattern is for 2-digit multiplication. Student, generally our teacher tells us in school that for 2-digit multiplication, first we have to multiply 2 with 3, then 2 with 2, next 1 with 3 and 1 with 2. Here we are not going to do anything like this. Student, in this video we are not going to do anything like this. We will follow some magical trick to do 2-digit multiplication. For this multiplication, you should follow this pattern. This pattern is known as IXI pattern. What? IXI pattern. IXI pattern. By following this pattern, student, you can write direct answer here. You can write direct answer here so that you can save your time and energy. So look this multiplication. I will teach you that how can we do this multiplication. First of all, student, you have to multiply 2 with 3. 2 3s are 6, because first of all we have to multiply like in this manner. So we will multiply 2 3. 2 3s are 6. Then cross multiplication. Yeah, 2 2s are 4. 1 3s are 3. Then you will add 4 plus 3, 7. This is second pattern. Now we will follow third pattern. In third pattern, 1 2s are 2. The answer is 276. Have you got it? 276. So student, by this method you can save your time and keep your energy saved. Student, by this method you can do fast calculation. Let us see another method. Now next one. First, 1 4s are 4. 1 4s are 4. 1 3s are 3. 4 plus 3, 7. And 1 3s are 3. So student, by following this method you can solve any multiplication which is 2-digit number. You can solve any multiplication. Have you got it? Okay, that's nice. Student, now we will learn 3-digit multiplication. For 3-digit multiplication, student, you have to follow this pattern. This 5 pattern you have to follow. A, B, C, D, E. This pattern is known as IXXXI. This pattern is known as IXXXI. Now, I will tell you that with the help of this pattern, how can you calculate this multiplication. So, first of all, we will follow A pattern. In A pattern, we have to multiply 1 with 2. 1 with 2. 1 2s are 2. Yeah, 1 with 2. 1 2s are 2. Next, we will follow second pattern. In second pattern, we have to do cross multiplication, and after cross multiplication, we have to do addition. So, let us see. 1 zeros are 0 or 2 2s are 4. Next, student, we will follow third pattern. Third pattern is double X. Double x means we have to multiply like in this manner. 2 zeros are 0. 2 zeros are 0. Then in this way. 1 threes are 3 and 1 twos are 2. Then we will add 3 plus 2, 5. Yes, this is third pattern. Now we will follow fourth pattern. Fourth pattern में we have to act like this. यानी 3 twos are 6 or 1 zeros are 0. Yeah, here is 6 and in last we will follow last pattern, that is I pattern. In this pattern we act like this. Here 1 threes are 3. So student, our answer is in direct manner 3, 6, 5, 4, 2. So student, by following these patterns you can write your direct answer in this way. So student, if you do this calculation in this manner, 3, 0, 2, 1, 2, 1, then answer will be same. 1 2 are 2, 1 0 is 0, 1 3 is 3, 2 2 are 4, 2 0 is 0, 2 3 are 6. Yes, 1 2 are 2, 1 0 is 0, 1 3 is 6. Then you will add 2, 4, 6, 6, 3, 3 6 6 4 2, 3 6, 3 6, sorry 5 4 2. Yes, the answer is same. The answer is same. Both the method give same answer. So student, follow this trick and keep your calculation fast. We will meet in our next video. Till then, bye.